All right, so we got the flex plate, flywheel, whatever everyone wants to call it. Got the bolts in that. Got them torqued. The torque they said was 13 or 15, 37, and 74. So they want me to do it in 3 different increments. So that's what I did. That's all done. Now you can see this pump here. And I wasn't gonna show everyone this. It took like 20 minutes. The pump goes in here. You take out that galley plug that we put in there, and oil goes into the oil pump, and you keep on pumping it, and you can see all the oil comes out. It goes to the rockers, and we got oil through all the top of the rockers now.
All right, yep, there it goes.
So the whole engine is primed with oil, so should be good. We'll dump the rest of the oil down in it. Then we're gonna take it off, put it against the 4080 transmission, and stick it in the car. If you want to know information about that, search YouTube on how to prime your LS motor, and it'll tell you all. Which just get a plug here, hook that hose up to it, and just keep on pumping. Hit 20, 25, 30 minutes to sit there, wait, crank the motor over about quarter turn increments until you get oil off to it. So I'm gonna put the phone down, we're gonna hook this transmission up, and after we get it hooked up, I'll show you, then we'll probably put it on time lapse. I can stick it down in there. All right, as you can see, we got the engine up in the air, transmission hooked to it. I'm gonna put you on the stand and do a time lapse. That way y'all don't gotta sit there, hopefully it won't take you long. We're just gonna stick it down in there to adjust our motor mounts and get them nice and tight and bring back out. We don't got the torque converter in it yet. Take that back apart and fix the motor mounts, and then put the torque converter in it and put it in there for good. All right, got the motor in it, transmission in it. Like we said, don't have the torque converter in it. We just got to line up these dirty dingo motor mounts. And now we have to go to back and put the transmission cross member over. And once we put the transmission in it, we'll pull the transmission over to where it goes, and then that should line up the motor. So I'm gonna put you off to the side, and we're gonna go underneath it. I ain't gonna take you all underneath there because it's gonna be a pain in the butt. But I'll show you the end product here in a second. All right, as you can see, we got the motor down in it, and man, does it look pretty down in there. Got the transmission in, got the transmission cross member over, got the motor mounts tightened up. She's done. So we're probably going to cut this video off right here, and then I'll do another video putting all the accessories on it and all that good stuff. And then I'll do a third video of starting it up. So, all right, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it. We've got the wiring harness in there. My son Trevor, he redid the wiring harness for the car, and we're gonna get a Terminator X for the motor. And so, and plus the heater just kicked on. That's good. So we'll take you through all that. He's supposed to be putting a video up about the wiring harness. They went through and rewired a bunch of stuff for it. So hope y'all enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment down below what y'all think of it. Thanks for watching. Sean McNeil, McNeil's Garage, saying see y'all later.